We have a great educational opportunity for you being brought to you by We the County out of Midland, Michigan. It is called Collective Activism to Reclaim Our American Constitutional Republic. It's a seminar, and you can opt to take a Saturday seminar on April 24. It's just $25, and it's going to give you a quick in-depth look at what you can do. And then there's a more in-depth 3-day seminar version that's happening from April 26th through the 28th. It is called Collective Activism to Reclaim Our American Constitutional Republic, and it does just that. It's going to teach you, the citizen, how to hold your public servants accountable using information that you'll be learning from our state and federal constitutions. It's seminars like this that are going to educate and empower us to be able to know what actions to take so that we can help our state move forward beyond the tyranny and back to the roots of the Constitution. Check out the information in the link and in the graphic below, and we hope that you choose to attend.